My dear brothers and sisters in Jesus Christ, today the Mother Church celebrates the Palm Sunday. It is also called as Passion Sunday. Palm Sunday marks the beginning of the Holy Week, the week of all the weeks in the entire liturgical calendar year. Today we celebrate the solemn and the triumphant entry of Jesus our King into the holy city of Jerusalem. Holy Week gives us an experience of mixed feelings. There is a moment to rejoice, to be glad, and there is a moment to feel sorrow, to experience sadness. This triumphant entry of Jesus into the holy city of Jerusalem will culminate in the passion and death of Jesus on Good Friday and the triumphant resurrection on the Easter. And thus our human experience tells us that life is a mixture of joys and sorrows, ups and downs, and the blend of all these things. Hence, this passion and death and resurrection of Jesus must enlighten us to have the right perspective towards life. In the first reading of today, Isaiah speaks of a suffering servant. The suffering servant surrenders totally to God, accepts obediently his plan because he trusts, he has full faith in God. The second reading taken from the letter of St. Paul to the Philippians, St. Paul speaks of the kenosis, where Jesus obeyed God perfectly and went even to die on the cross for our sake. The passion narrative is taken from the Gospel of Mark. There we see the passion of Jesus to save the world, to save all his people by dying on the cross. This is the love of Jesus. This is the passion of Jesus to give God's love and mercy to all of us. Therefore, my dear brothers and sisters, as we participate in this Holy Week, let us make this week truly holy by experiencing the true metanoia. That is the change of heart, that is the change of mind. And thus let us march along with Jesus on his way to Calvary, so that his death on the cross brings lot of joy and happiness and freedom from all our sinfulness. And thus may we prove that we belong to God and that we are children of God. Amen. I wish all of you the blessings of this Holy Week.